Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing how I started earning on Upwork and how you too can start earning on Upwork, even if you have no experience. So, if you've been thinking of working online or starting your freelancing journey, stay with me because this video is for you. When I first heard about Upwork, I honestly didn't know how to use it. Before then, I had taken a soft digital skills training where I learned administrative tasks and customer service skills. After that, I opened my Upwork account and I carefully optimized my profile. At first, I was confused about how everything worked. But instead of giving up, I kept researching, learning, and improving. I also made it a habit to apply for jobs consistently every single day. After about 3 weeks, I landed my first 2 jobs on the same day, and that's how my freelancing journey began. These are the steps you should take. Step 1. Your profile is your first impression on Upwork. Think of it like your online CV. Here is what to focus on. You should have a professional photo. Use a clear, friendly picture of you smiling, and your title and overview should be very specific about what you offer. For example, my overview and title says Search Engine Optimization for Shopify, Customer Service, and Administrative Assistant. In your skills section, add only relevant skills. Upwork allows you to add up to 15 portfolios. If you don't have experience, create a sample work to showcase what you can do. A complete and professional profile builds trust and makes clients more likely to hire you. Step 2. Send winning proposals. When I first started, I was making the mistake of copying and pasting the same proposal for everyone. It didn't work. Here is what I learned over time. Read the job description carefully. Personalize your proposal. Mention the client's project directly. Keep it short but very clear. 4 to 6 lines are enough. Show how you can solve their problem. For example, "Hi James, I saw that you need help managing your emails and scheduling. I currently work as a virtual assistant and I have helped my clients organize their inboxes and handle daily tasks efficiently. I'd love to bring the same value to your business." This simple approach worked for me. That's how I got my first clients. Step 3. Set the right rates. When you're just starting, you need to be strategic. I started at $5 per hour just to build my profile. Once I got good reviews, I gradually increased my rates. My advice is start low but reasonable to attract your first clients. As soon as you have good reviews, increase your rates step by step. Focus on delivering value. When clients trust you, they will pay more. Here are some tips that worked for me. Be consistent. Log in every day and apply for jobs regularly. Complete your profile to 100%. Upwork favors people that have a complete profile. Continue upskilling. Do not stop learning. And above all, please be patient. Give yourself time. You will get it. The first few weeks can be tough, but don't give up. Once you get your first client, everything becomes much easier. If you've been dreaming of working online, especially on Upwork, there's no better time to start. Start now. Start today. Begin your freelancing journey today. Do not waste time anymore. You'll be happy you did. Trust me. Give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about this topic or any other topic I've talked about, please do well to tell me in the comment section. I'll always check the comments and I'll reply to you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't leave this channel. Bye bye.